pretty confident that Orlando Pirates ingayitopha le group. Masubheki unumber 1 right now Al Ahly FC, kuthi number 2 kubi Orlando Pirates, mase kuthi number 3 kubi CR Belouizdad, mase kuthi number 4 kubi Stade d'Abidjan. Masubheki Orlando Pirates last week yadlala ne-CR Belouizdad, yayidlala away yawina ngo-2-1 dlala e-Algeria. Yabo yabuya this week yazodlala ne-Al Ahly, bezodlala la eSoweto Orlando Stadium, bazodraw ngo-0-0. Yabo next week bazodlala ne-team yase-Ivory Coast, iStade d'Abidjan. Le team le masubheke their last 3 games they lost against Al Ahly. Al Ahly yabashaya, I think it was 4-2 if I'm not mistaken. Kwathi match elandela bashawa i-team yangakhona. Baphinde bazodlala futhi izolo bebedlala ne-CR Belouizdad, bedlala home baphinde bashawa futhi bashawa ngo I think beku 1-0 if I'm not mistaken. So i-Orlando Pirates nje ubiyodlala nje away, idlala le Ivory Coast le sathanda kushawa ngo 1-0 ishawa i-CR Belouizdad. Ndiform yethi right kakhulu at the moment, angifuna uqamba manga sisathanda kugrowa ne-team one of the best kule group esinayo right now, yabo. So ngokubona kwami sinawo chance ukuthi siyithophe le group, but abadlali bethu engathi bangaperforma kahle njengoba noSalenge sebuyile nje okuzosinikeza ama chance amaningi ukuthi siyithophe le group. Inkinga I think i-challenge esizoba nayo ukudlala le match esoyidlala ne-Al Ahly mase siyodlala eCairo, because ama-returning games sowadlala la home, yabo. Ama-games azosisalela, ama-games sowadlala la home. iCR Belouizdad sesidlalele nayo away, sodlala nayo home masi-returna la eSouth Africa. Na iStade d'Abidjan sodlala naso next week masibuya futhi game soyidlala la eSouth Africa. So we have 2 home games, that's 6 points right there. Let's show lo 6 points lo siyawuthatha, and le game soyidlala eCairo maybe singathatha linye point isidraw, yabo. Silwele idraw njengoba nabo belwele idraw ukuthi bazodlala nazi la eSouth Africa. So I'm pretty confident ukuthi le group le so itopha, yabo. Ngeke ngazi phela ibhola leli liyaginqi, yabo. Sibantu sibona enye indlela, but mina ngokubona kwami Orlando Pirates inawo chance ukuthi iyithophe le group le. I used to think ibhola la eAfrica like i-Champions League inzima, but ngisabonile nje sinayo ichance ngempela ukuthi siyithathe. But nayo iSundowns izolidlalile ade idlale yami idrawile ade idlala naleya i-AS FAR yangikhohle igama leya team leya yaseMorocco, yabo. Badrawile izolo, and judging the way they played, yabo, singakwazi bethu ukuthi le cup siyithathe. Yabo angazi noma sengizama ngamawala yini, yabo. But ngangitshela lapha kuma comments, is it possible ukuthi Orlando Pirates ithophe le group lo, or is it possible ukuthi Orlando Pirates iwine i-Champions League? Because judging by the way izinto ezimi ngakhona, miyase siyithophe singathola mhlambe ama-team athi ukuba lula kancane mfethu mase siya kuma knockout stages, because ma knockout stages ngesiqhathaniswa nama-team actually nama-team athophe ama-groups, so qhathaniswa nama-team aphuma number 2. So mase siqhathaniswa nama-team aphuma number 2, judging by the way izinto ezimi ngakhona ama-team, yabo, enza kabi ngempela kwi-Champions League this season. But ke singesazi bafethu angathi nje ngabaqhathanisa ne-Sundowns mase Sundowns, yabo, kwi-group yayo I believe Sundowns uphuma number 2 kwi-group ekuyona right now. So miyase iphuma number 2 nje izoqhathwa, angazi ngenziwa kanjani, but siqhathwe nayo Sundowns sifakwe nje lapha mase kushaya ama-knockout stages. Kodwa ngifuna ukuyibona, yabo. Qhathwe nje ne-Sundowns, hawo ma, hey anazi nini. Awu ngangitshela ama-comments bafethu ukuthi nibona kanjani iPirates ingayithopha le group le. Asinawo umuntu esekhuluma sengiyatholana nayo YouTube bafethu, ungafika lapho ucomment, yabo, usubscribe njalo naka Facebook ngikhona kuVana Sports, Instagram nakhona ngiyatholakala nguVana Sports, yabo. Most of my videos ami sengiwaposta kakhulu ka YouTube, because TikTok some of my videos bayashaya ngoben bathi awekho right for uTikTok, so sengiposta kakhulu ngale. But most ama-videos wami ngizowaposta la, yabo. But amanye ama-video nizowathola ngale. Uma nifuna ukuthola ama-video ngakoshawa usubscribe ngale, yabo, khona nizowathola amanye ama-video wami. Ngiyayibonga futhi ngesupportini bafethu, ngiyabonga. So ngangitshela ama-comments ukuthi ngokubona kweni Orlando Pirates ngayithopha in le group le.